All in all, honestly, my first impressions on this hair is it's fucking incredible for under $100. Like, I'm not gonna Hey y'all. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a first impression and review on this hair. It was under $100 and it was an Amazon steal. Baby girl, like, I'm not saying run and go get this hair, not walk, run and go get this hair. It's worth the money. Like, I paid $80 for it and it's incredible. Very easy install, did not stress me out. Knots were easy, like the knots were easy to bleach. Everything about it was just good for the quality of hair. So if you want to learn more about this hair and see me install it, keep on watching. Bye y'all. So today I'm going to be reviewing some hair and doing a wig install, as you can see from the title and the intro. So I ordered this hair off Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar. It is a 20-inch. It's a 20-inch like honey blonde lace front. It's, I want to say 13 by 4, not 13 by 6. And the hair was only $72 or $82. It was under $100, and it's from, okay, well, they don't have anything interesting in their packaging. It's just this, and then the back being this. So comes with a wig cap, which we love, and then the hair. So I'm not going to be installing it just yet. I'm just going to be doing like a first impression kind of thing on the hair. So it comes with this, I guess, to keep the lace intact.
It smells disgusting.
Honestly, it doesn't smell disgusting. It smells like hair. Like, it smells like hair, like, essentially. But it smells nasty. But it doesn't smell really, really bad. I've had some hair that literally smells like it's straight from a fucking fish market. This hair does not smell horrible. It just smells like hair. It smells like chemicals, like bleach and shit. So it's a little bent inside the bag. So kind of underwhelming unboxing. But it feels really good. Like, this is actually, it feels incredible, especially for it to only be $80. And then it's 20 inches. So mind you, I am 5'9", so hair on me is never gonna, I feel like 20 inches on my best friend, she's little as hell. And like 20 inches on her is like to her ass basically. And like 20 inches on me is pretty much bra strap. Like, so we're gonna try, I'm gonna do like a little quick first impressions. I'm not really, actually, honestly, the hair is worth the price because it's the parting space for me. Like, I really got, like, I literally would not be able to do anything except for like a middle part and like maybe a side part if I put my mind to it, but not really. But I wanted to do half up, half down with like a little, I have a little style in mind anyway. So this little middle part works fine for me and what I'm trying to do. But I don't know if you guys can see, but it's not the best parting space. It's not the worst either though, honestly. It could have been a T part. That would have pissed me off. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the lace for me. So I personally really like clear-ish lace like this because I feel like this is the best lace that melts into my skin color and does not like change into another color. Like, I feel like when I get lace that's my color or like very similar, it gets darker, and then in like a month or like just with constant wear of the wig, it looks like it's supposed to be on somebody else's head, and I don't like that. But I feel like when I get clear, like transparent lace like this, it's pretty solid. So she's cute. So I have a wig cap on right now. It's a dark wig cap though. I'm gonna obviously redo this, but I just had to braid my hair down earlier and gel. I didn't want my hair to be out, so I'm gonna do a little try on. Oh, I love blonde hair on me. I haven't had blonde hair in forever, so I'm actually really excited about this. So this is what she's looking like right now. The hair is actually kind of thin. Let me wash it before I say that, because I feel like I only feel like that right now because there's nothing really. So this obvious, let me not say obviously, I feel like I'm saying it 20 million times. This is not a wig you can just kind of put on your head and go. You are gonna have to customize it. Like, even the edges are not the best, but I feel like I like this. It's giving Beyonce.
Nah, she wanna know if she look like Beyonce. Does she look like Beyonce?
Like, very Beyonce. I like it. Yeah, I can't wait to do this hair because I have such a cute style in mind right now. So, I don't like how this part is. I hate this part right now, but we'll fix it. So, it's the blonde for me. So it's 20 inches. Honestly, this feels like it's 20 inches because, so like if this is roughly an inch, this is like a trick I've used. This actually is pretty solid for 20 inches because I feel like 24 inches is consistently right here. Like, I love 24-inch hair. That's the hair I always get. And 24 inches is mid-waist for me. Like, that's like the point, basically. So if we're right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, roughly. It might be a little bit longer too. I don't have a tape roller, or I said tape recorder, a tape measurer, no shit like that. So it just is what it is. If it ain't 20 inches, I'm sorry, y'all. Like, but if you're shorter than me, like, it's good length. Like, I didn't take this out the bag and feel like, damn, like, where's the rest of my hair? I look a mess. This is, I don't know how people walk out the house but don't give a fuck about their lace, bro, because this looks bad.
The issue is you gonna push down your lace a little bit.
But you shouldn't be worried about that.
But it's sticking up. Why you asking me questions? How can I answer your question when I'm staring at your forehead?
Like you.
But, so this is the hair on me in like a length comparison. I'm actually really excited. Because even like this, like the lace is actually very clear. So I'm really excited to like do my wig cap and shit and kind of get my wig cap going down. I might not even do it tonight, honestly. So I might see y'all in the morning, but because I don't really have the patience to wait for it to dry. I mean, to blow dry and shit. But yeah, we'll see. To wash it, bleach the knots. Well, it's blonde hair. I'm probably not gonna bleach the knots, but I'm about to wash it and deep condition and start my install. But I'm gonna install on camera.
It's OVA, the creator.
So I am putting some Got To Be on my wig cap so it can stay on.
OVA, the creator.
After blow drying, I put some lace glue on the wig cap to secure the wig cap even more. And I also feel like it helps my wig adhere to the lace glue I choose to use when it's time for my install better as well.
It's OVA, the creator.
Now I am using an eyebrow razor and cutting the lace into sections so it's easier to work with for me. Now I'm going in with the foundation of my choice and a beauty blender and a foundation brush and just making my wig cap look like it's my skin and not a wig cap on my head. Now I'm taking some lace glue and starting the first layer of my glue. I'm blow drying the first layer of glue so I can go in with a second and third layer and start laying my lace down. Now I'm making a fool of myself and getting glue fucking everywhere like a dumbass.
It's
So now I'm cutting the sides of my lace to kind of fit it on my head, customize it to my head shape specifically, not like the one size fits all. And then I'm also going in section by section, just taking my time and gluing each piece down individually that we cut earlier with our eyebrow razor.
It's OVA the creator.
I'm spraying some Got To Be spray to kind of double up with the glue and make sure my wig is locked into place.
It's OVA the creator.
I like to blow dry over my elastic band. I feel like it just helps make my lace melt into my skin. I'm cutting the lace off now. I'm trying to get as close to the hairline as possible. My hot comb is broken, so if you don't have a hot comb, a good pro tip is to just take the side of your curling iron and just smooth your hair down like that. I do not recommend just pulling the hair straight out of your lace like this. I am just lazy as hell and I do not have the patience to sit there and just keep plucking. So that's what I chose to do. So I start halfway, like half the length of the hair, I guess to say, and then I go outward, twirl in, and just keep kind of pulling the hair outwards while twirling in. You can kind of watch me curl my hair and get the gist of it that way because it's really hard to describe that.
It's OVA the creator.
I'm taking my little elastic band off. Oh God, this kind of, damn. We got the curls going. I actually really like this hair. I love the blonde. I feel like a fucking Barbie doll right now. This is the finished outlook. I mean, the finished outcome. I said outlook. Let's just be at work too much. I honestly am not really fucking with my baby hairs, but I want to do a half up, half down, and I feel like these baby hairs are gonna work for that more. So we'll see. But this is the hair. I'll say the curling, it holds a curl. It's decent. I also didn't try that hard, to be real, because I'm not doing anything right now. Oh my God, I love this hair. Like, bitch, I feel like fucking Beyonce.
They ever tell you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me, nigga.
Literally, like, it's the body and the volume for me. Like, I literally feel like Beyonce. Like, bitch, you look good. I kind of want to put concealer in my part, but I'm so meticulous when it comes to like a middle part. Like, I need that shit to be in the middle, bitch. Yeah, that's too much work. So she's staying like this. Now tomorrow, well, I don't know, because I am probably gonna do a half up, half down. So I'm not really too concerned about this little section. I mean, I might. Just to kind of get that part a little bit more defined. But I really like the body that my hair is giving, so I'm not really against it. Ooh, ooh, ow, kind of hurt.
Ooh, that was skin.
Okay, I mean, yeah, I like this personally. I think I look good as fuck. Like, who's gonna check me? I look good as hell right now. I am about to film another video. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup, film a video, and do my makeup. And then I'm about to film a Reddit story Sunday. So yeah, I got some crazy stories. So if you guys enjoy Reddit stories or just enjoy people talking about their opinions, tune in for my Reddit story Sundays because, girl, like, the people on Reddit are fucking insane, like very unhinged. Like, why would you even post this? Like, where in your brain did you think to yourself, smartest decision I could possibly make? Like, the fuck? But all in all, honestly, my first impressions on this hair is it's fucking incredible for under $100. Like, I'm not especially curling the hair like before with the girl, that looks bad, but especially curling the, you know, we just gonna whatever. But especially curling the hair, like, and how frizzy it was before, I was actually very like, ooh, this is gonna look like a nice synthetica on my head. But I like it, and I feel like I can move my fingers through it. The curls are staying pretty much. Mind you, I didn't use any hairspray or anything like that. I literally just used some I used the Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Serum. Are you kidding me? Can you guys see that? Like, it's literally focusing on everything around this. Maybe my natural hair to straighten it, which is what made me kind of like get back into this. My mom used to use this to straighten my hair all the time, and my hair would be bone straight, and I just straightened my natural hair, and my hair was straight for like a week. Like, I live in Maryland, so mind you, it's cold, it's a little rainy right now, it's borderline snowing. It's not like snowing yet, but it's definitely like 30-degree weather and humidity. But this serum is like top tier, like no humidity, nothing crazy going on. This is I look so good. Like, I look incredible. So I'm gonna do my makeup and everything else, and I'll catch you guys in another video.